write out the form of the partial fraction decomposition of the function. Do not determine the numerical values of the coefficients. So pretty basic algebra here. Let me do part B first, because the bottom factors, we got x squared minus x minus 12. We know that x squared minus x minus 12 factors is, so here the last sign is negative. That means we want to get 1 by subtraction. So here's a negative 1 by subtraction. So x squared means x. 12, 4 times 3, 12. 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay, so 4 and 3 to get negative. Negative goes here, positive here. So this is how we factor. And this is a proper fraction because the degree on the top is smaller than that of the bottom. This is degree 1, degree 2. So this is proper fraction. So that's good. And we know how to factor the bottom factors in this way. So 2 factors. So part B, this one is same as we got a linear factor. That's a degree 1 linear factor. So some constant over that linear factor plus another constant over another linear factor, x plus 3. And the question asks not to solve for the constant. So this is it. Okay, part B is just that. If we look at part A, this is improper because degree 2 on the top, degree 2 on the bottom, same degree. We have to have lesser degree on the top to be proper. So this is improper, means we need to do long division. Okay, we need to do long division and write in terms of proper. Okay, so it's like the simple fraction. So x squared plus x plus 12 on the bottom, that divides x squared on the top. We just look at the first term to first term. There's only one term here, but we just look at the first to first. How many times this x squared goes to x squared? We can simply divide this inside by outside. So in this case just 1 because they are same. So 1 time. Now we multiply each term by 1. So 1 times x squared, 1 times x, just plus x, 1 times plus 12, plus 12. Now we subtract here. We subtract this line. Subtract means we need to multiply by negative 1. That means change the sign. This plus 2 minus, plus 2 minus, plus 2 minus. If we had minus, we would have changed to plus. Then combine now. We can see here that x squared minus x squared cancel. That was by design. When we multiply by a nice number, we try to cancel the first. Then what is left now? Negative x and negative 12. Now this is degree 1. So we are degree 2. So then done. The long division is done. So what we do next is, so this fraction is in fact part A. So let me go over here. So this fraction is same as, so it's like when we divide 8 by 5, 5 goes 8 1 times 5 and we subtract. So 8 over 5 is same as 1, that's the quotient, plus 3 remainder on the top divided by 5. So 1 plus 3 over 5. This is an improper fraction. Then we would do in this way. The same idea here. Now this 1 quotient 1 plus this remainder on the top, negative x minus 12, over this divisor, x squared plus x plus 12. Now this is a proper fraction, and this part is done. Now this is like part B. If you look at closely, something like part B. So we want to factor the bottom. If it factors, let's see. So here is 1. Okay, on the top we got negative. We can factor negative out because that is bothering me. that negative factor out, and that multiplies with positive, negative, and this is x plus 12 because I factored negative out. The bottom is x squared plus x plus 12. Does it factor? Okay, this is, I'm going to rewrite again. X plus 12 over x squared plus x plus 12. This plus sign means we have to get 1 by adding two numbers. I mean, there are no two numbers, two whole numbers, positive numbers that can add 1. It's not by subtraction because of this plus. So this does not factor. Okay, this x squared plus x plus 12 does not factor. Another way to check is you can just find the discriminant b squared minus 4ac. So in this case b is 1, c is 12. If you do b squared minus 4ac, that is 1 square 1 minus 4 times 1 times 12, that's 48. So it's a negative number. So when this is a negative number, this polynomial, this quadratic function, this does not factor. If it is 0 or positive, it may factor. But if it's less than 0, it does not, definitely does not factor. So it doesn't factor, then stop there, done. X squared plus x plus 12. So we cannot do any more. That's it.